Charlie would do that all day long.
Oh, get him. What you doing, Elliott? What's he doing? Is he playing?
It's funny watching his fist, like, death grip on it.
Did you get him? Did you get him? Get him. Get him. Oh, get it, Charlie Brown. Get it, Charlie Brown. Get it, Elliott. Oh, boy. Let's go get him. Get him. Throw it. Throw it.
Remember Elliott to hit him.
Did you go throw it? Oh, good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. Shake it up. Just shake it up. That's a good boy. Get it. He looks like he's mad. Does he not look like he's mad? There, good boy.
Charlie's
Come
like,
here,
okay,
Charlie.
it's over.
Charlie, get your toy. Oh, he don't want to play.
Look.
Come here, Charlie, get your toy.
It was sad.
Charlie, where's your ball?
Get your ball. Get your ball, Charlie.